Hello everyone! Today I will be making a DIY nail art using Rosalind Mini Transparent Gel Polish for you. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So I will be using Rosalind Mini Gel Polish shade FA66, Rosalind Mini Gel Polish shade FA67, Rosalind Mini Gel Polish shade FA68, Rosalind Mini Gel Polish shade FA69, and Rosalind Mini Gel Polish shade FA70. So first, make sure you shape the nail and then lightly buff the nail surface of the nail plate and then sanitize. Apply a base coat of foundation from the cuticle to the free edge. Remember to seal the edge of the nail and then cure the nails under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm gonna start doing my DIY nail art using white gel polish as my base color. You can use different gel polish color and design however you want it. So I don't use base coat on this video as I was just using my fake nails, but it is very important to use base coat for a long-lasting manicure. So this nail art that I am making now is called Negative Space Manicure. Negative space manicure means that you don't have to cover each and every nail entirely in order to up your nail manicure game. It's your natural nail incorporated with the nail art, but I will be covering it with Rosalind Transparent Mini Gel Polish to make it more unique and fun. And this is what the negative space manicure looks like. You can also make a different kinds of designs. And now I'm gonna apply first coat of Rosalind Mini Gel Polish shade FA68. Rosalind Mini Gel Polish shade FA68 is a green transparent color. And next is I'm gonna apply first coat of Rosalind Gel Polish Mini shade FA69. Rosalind Mini Gel Polish shade FA69 is a transparent orange color. And next is I'm gonna apply first coat of Rosalind Mini Gel Polish shade FA66. Rosalind Mini Gel Polish shade FA66 is a transparent yellow color. And next is I'm gonna apply the first coat of Rosalind Gel Polish shade FA67. Rosalind Mini Gel Polish shade FA67 is a transparent pink color. And next is the Rosalind Mini Gel Polish shade FA70. Rosalind Mini Gel Polish shade FA70 is a transparent blue color. So this is what it looks like after the first coat. Cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And next is I'm gonna apply the second coat. Rosalind Mini Gel Polish FA series comes with 80 different color shades and special effects. I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys know where I got these products, and don't forget to use my code ROSE15 or ROSE15 to get 15% discount on all Rosalind products when you shop at their official website, so make sure to check the link below on my description box. After applying the second coat, cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then apply top coat for a long-lasting manicure. And then cure again for 60 seconds. And this is my DIY nail art using Rosalind Transparent Mini Gel Polish. You can apply Rosalind Transparent Mini Gel Polish as it is, or you can also make a fun nail art out of it. I love these products because it is transparent but also fun and colorful. And that's it everyone, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.